Okay. Okay, what we saw in activated sludge process. Salmar, चाहिए एक black What we saw in activated sludge process, this is the influent, then primary clarifier, then aeration tank, and then secondary clarifier, and then effluent. So this is influent, this is effluent, this is primary clarifier or primary settling tank, aeration tank, and this is a secondary clarifier. Sludge is going to be removed from the bottom, and part of the sludge we are recirculating before the aeration tank, okay, and remaining amount of sludge we are wasting it. Is it? That is waste of sludge. Okay. Now, and this is the effluent is removed, liquid waste, whatever supernatant generated over here will be wasted out as a effluent. Now, what is the change if we are adding the trickling filter instead of this aeration tank that I am going to show you? I will show you the flow chart of the same. This is the influent. Okay. Then this will be the primary clarifier, or we can say primary settling tank. Then there will be a generally we draw it in a circular shape, trickling filter. Most of the time, trickling filter can be designed in a circular shape instead of rectangular. Why it should be in a circular shape, that I will explain while explaining the working and function of trickling filter. So this is the trickling filter, and then wastewater will go to the secondary clarifier as usual in earlier process. Here also settling of sludge will be performed and supernatant liquid will be sent as a effluent. Okay. Now the sludge will be settled down here and it will be removed. That we can call, we used to call that waste sludge. Is it the way it is here? Waste sludge we are wasting, and some amount of sludge, that active sludge we are recirculating and allowing to enter before the aeration tank or in the aeration tank. Okay, that we saw. Now here waste sludge, entire waste sludge we are collecting and we are removing. We are not recirculating the waste sludge, but something else we are recirculating, and that is nothing but a treated effluent we are recirculating. Treated effluent we are recirculating. I can say here treated effluent. We are recirculating. This is a trickling filter. This is a secondary clarifier. This is the effluent, and what we are recirculating? Treated effluent. Okay. Just understand what I am explaining and then go to draw the figure. Okay. So here we are recirculating the part of active sludge. Why we were recirculating the part of active sludge? Because that sludge is in an active form and they need more food to decompose, and when it is coming to this position they will get the new food, and because they are active, the process of decomposition in an aeration tank in presence of sufficient amount of oxygen will be performed effectively with less time as required. Okay, that was the intention to go for the recirculation of waste sludge, or I can say active sludge. But here we are not recirculating the sludge, we are recirculating the treated effluent. We are recirculating the treated effluent because why we should go? Here is not requirement of active sludge. Basically, what is the trickling filter? Trickling filter diagram separately I am going to show you, but just for imagination, I will show you with one sketch. Marker there will be under system. You have studied. Which rapid sand filter, then slow sand filter. What is the design for the rapid sand filter or the slow sand filter? Usually, which is a rectangular tank. Okay. Then at the bottom there will be the under drainage system. Above that there will be the larger size stones, or we can say rocks. And above that there will be the sand particles. And above that there will be the water which we want to treat. That is the design for the slow sand filter or rapid sand filter. Water is being percolated towards the ground, and it with the help of under drainage system we can collect the treated water. That was the design for the rapid sand filter RSF or SSF, that is slow sand filter. But here in a activated sludge process, in a trickling filter, we are allowing to enter the water from the bottom, and we are taking it up to the height, and then we are sprinkling it on the top surface, and that entire tank is filled with the filter media as a rock, not the sand. There will be a rock. If we go for the sand particle, here also it will get blocked within few minutes, not the hours, because huge amount of sludge is present in a wastewater. Here we are using sand because there is a water. It is a plain water. Very less solid particles are available in a plain water or raw water for the drinking purpose. But sewage generated from the domestic area is having huge amount of sludge or the solid particles. Is it? More than 50% amount of solid particles are present in the water. So if we go to design this way, it will immediately get blocked. That sand will get blocked within 1 hour or within few minutes. So instead of that, in a trickling filter for filtration process, we are using a rocks, and we are sprinkling water at the surface, and then it will percolate. And again, the way here we have designed the under drainage system, here also under drainage system will be there, and it will collect the treated effluent. And that treated effluent will not be free from the sludge. Along with water falling down, while explaining the working of this process, I will explain in detail. But just remember, this collected treated water will be with the combination of sludge as well as water. आता तुम्ही म्हणाल की मग हे प्रोसेस मधून आल्यानंतर काय फायदा झाला? When the water is entering into this tank, the dissolved impurities are there, organic impurities are there, and these are in a non-settlable form. These are in not in settlable form. We saw example here. Earlier saw the numericals. In that I told you, BOD will remove here up to 30 to 35% in a primary clarifier, and then remaining will go to the aeration tank for further treatment process. जे 35% आहे ते सेटलेबल सॉलिड्स आहेत म्हणून ते इथे सेटल झाले, आणि जे नॉन सेटलेबल सॉलिड्स आहेत ते that are going to flow along with the further effluent after the primary settling time. तर इथे सुद्धा तसंच होतंय की प्रायमरी क्लॅरिफायर मध्ये 30 to 35% BOD सस्पेंडेड सॉलिड्स विल रिमूव्ह, आणि जे राहिलेले सॉलिड्स आहेत आणि ऑर्गॅनिक इम्प्युरिटीज आहेत त्या पुढे रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी आपण ट्रिकलिंग फिल्टर वापरणार आहे. The way we have taken help of microorganisms here in an activated sludge process to decompose the organic impurities present into the sewage in presence of oxygen, same we are doing here also. We are taking the help of microorganisms to decompose the organic impurities present into sewage in presence of oxygen. Is it? These are the similarity. Only the difference between these two systems is this is a suspended growth process and this is a attached growth process. What is this? This is a suspended growth process. Suspended growth process in the sense, here is a tank and the wastewater is allowed to enter and this is filled with the water, sewage. Here are the some aerators are fixed in an aeration tank for the wastewater. Usually surface aerators are there. When these are rotating with a particular RPM, at that time, this aerator will not allow to settle down the water. That entire water will remain in a suspension form. Is it? So that's why this process is known as the suspended growth process. Microorganismची growth जेव्हा त्या सस्पेन्शन फॉर्म मध्ये असतात तेव्हाच होते या केस मध्ये. And this one is the attached growth process. What is mean by attached growth process? This is a particular sand or a rock and the microorganisms are attaching to this from different directions and they will hold that rock to grow themselves. That's why means they are attaching to this particular rock and that's why it can be identified, say that it is a attached growth process. Remember this for the MCQ type of question. Activated flush process is a suspended growth process and trickling filter is a attached growth process. Okay. Now, when it is attached growth process, it will remain on attached form. So, it will keep on going to form a layer around the surface of that particular object, and as time passes, that layer thickness will go on increasing, and after some time, this will start falling down, detaching, and that detachment is known as the scumdeck formation. And that means when it is detaching, at that time it will not be in a dissolved form. It will be in a flask form. Gatte. Is it? The way paint वर paint आपण देत गेलो तर काय होतं की त्याचा पापुद्रा पडायला सुरुवात होतो. बरोबर आहे? Same will happen. When you are applying water continuously, it will keep on attaching and thickness of the microbial growth will go on increasing. And one time will come, at that time, that entire flap will fall down. Okay? So that is in a flap form. And that flock and the treated effluent will be collected in an under drainage system, and then this wastewater will send towards the secondary clarifier, and in a secondary clarifier again we are providing sedimentation, and because the organic impurity and suspended growth are in a flux form, that will be settled down here in a secondary clarifier. This you can remove as a waste sludge and supernatant liquid you can remove and send it for the aeration purpose, agricultural purpose, or you can deposit it into the nearby water body. But the part of that liquid we are recirculating to dilute the incoming water. Why we are recirculating water treated effluent here? To dilute the incoming water. Now how to decide that? As per the quantity of sewage, incoming quality of sewage. जर याच्यामध्ये खूप कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन असेल बीओडी किंवा सस्पेंडेड सॉल्युट्सचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन खूप हाय असेल इनकमिंग सिवेज मध्ये, तर त्या केसमध्ये तुमच्या इफ्लुएंट सॉरी ट्रिकलिंग फिल्टर ब्लॉक होण्याची शक्यता असते. इन दॅट केस यू नीड टू डायल्यूट some quantity, and for dilution purpose you cannot go for the borewell water or the river water because extra energy you need to go for expending that. So instead of that you can recycle the treated effluent to dilute, and then you can continue the process. So this is about the trickling filter. Working and function I am going to explain with you a figure. The time being you draw this flow chart, or I will show in my laptop, and that flow chart you can draw through presentation. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, slide is shared with you. I will go to that particular slide. But the most popular one is the activated sludge process. Okay, this is the suspended growth process we saw as the activated sludge process, and this is the this we have completed. Okay, now this is the trickling filter. It is the fixed film biological process, or it is the attached growth process. You can draw this figure now. Okay, draw this flow chart. उद्या सुट्टी असेल ना उद्या सुट्टी असेल ना उद्या नाही रविवार परत म्हणायचं गणपतीच्या दिवशी द्यायचं विसर्जनला द्यायची ना आधी लास्ट सेशन once you're done let me know please. Elmer केली नाही त्याच्यात Elmer सही केली त्यांच्यावर
उदाहरण बोलले दोन लेटर नाही ऑनलाइन ट्रान्सफर करा ऑनलाइन
Have you done? Someone written message. Done, ma'am. 11:01. What is the time now? Yeah. I think everybody done. I think you understood the process now. Okay, I will wait. Somebody written, wait. So tending, I will draw another figure on the board. So it will be easy to draw to you. Someone can talk once finished. I will stop screen sharing and I will display the board because another figure I'm going to draw on the board. And I will not watch the chat box now because I'm at the board. So once you finish, someone can talk.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, just wait, I will change the screen. Okay, now you can watch the board. Let me complete figures and then you can draw. या बोर्डची आणि पेनची सवय नसल्यामुळे लाईन सरळ व्यवस्थित येत नाही. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टँड अँड कन्सिडर. Today I don't have the colored marker, so I am drawing everything in with the same marker, that is black marker. Structure is ready. Now you can start drawing, or you can wait to finish me. Ah, God. Again, our time is about to over by 6 minutes. दिसत नाहीये का तुम्हाला सरळ? बोर्ड व्यवस्थित दिसतंय तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
सरळ दिसतोय की असा इन्व्हर्ट केल्यासारखं दिसतोय?
सरळ नाही दिसत मॅडम.
मग कधी सांगणार तुम्ही मला? मी आता कम्प्युटर लॅपटॉपवर चेक केला त्यावेळेस मला कळालं. आता दिसतंय सर? नाव यू कॅन ड्रॉ. थोडं असं आता दिसतोय व्यवस्थित? Once you complete, let me know, please. Okay, I think 2-3 students had given reply that completed. We'll wait for 2 more minutes.